Hi, I'm Emma Davison, Principal Dentist here at Holistic Dental Centre in Farnham. I've been in this practice for 17 years, so I've found that patients love continuity. They can build the trust and rapport, and we have a proper relationship that builds up. I treat 3 generations of many families, and I still have people travelling to see me from where I used to work in Fulham. I love dentistry, and I'm just passionate about changing people's experiences to positive ones. Sometimes they think they're phobic and they're not really, they just need a little bit of TLC.
Incredible.
Without you, I wouldn't have a life. It's just made me so happy.
The practice is located in Farnham. It's a really pretty market town. We're near a station. We have parking outside, which makes it really easy for people. In fact, we have patients that travel from all over the world to come and see us, so we're very, very lucky. Holistic Dental Centre's main focus is on providing mercury-free dentistry for patients. We spend a considerable amount of time liaising with naturopaths and nutritionists, and we work with the laboratory technicians as well, just to find really biocompatible materials. I have the best team ever. They've just got big hearts. We work together really well. We have a lot of laughs, and they're kind and honest. It's the best team you could ever want. Although our main focus here at Holistic Dental Centre is mercury-free dentistry, we have expertise in a range of other treatments. I offer teeth straightening with clear aligners, cosmetic treatments, composite bonding or tooth whitening, and we can also help with the replacement of missing teeth and other dental services like hygiene treatment or periodontal treatment. If you'd like to know more about the practices or the services that we offer, please get in touch because we'd love to hear from you.
Your left and right again. Sorry, left a bit there.